Hello, this is a recording for the simulation for my bot. I thought real quick we'd look at the 3D model. I just wanted to highlight that this is what the bot would look like. The back wheels, this one and the one on the other side, each have a motor attached to them, a DC motor, and they'll be used to make the bot turn left and right. And then this tower here is on a servo, and it by default, when the bot's on, needs to face forward, and then the bot needs to be able to turn to its right or its left. I mean, the tower itself needs to be able to turn to its left that way or its right this way. Quickly looking at the logarithm, if button 1 is pressed, it needs to move forward. 2, it needs to move to the left. 3, it needs to move to the right. 4, it needs to move backwards. 5, it needs to rotate to the right. 6, it needs to rotate to the left. And I also realized I needed a button 7 pressed to recenter the camera on the chance that it needs to be done. So we'll simulate this very quickly. So right out of the gate, I have it set up so that the tower is facing forward. In this situation, pointing down on this simulation is making the tower face forward. So if I press 1, we'll see both motors start. If I press 2, one of the two motors stops so that it starts to turn. If I press 3, the other motor is running and the other stops so that it turns the other direction. 4 will make both motors go in reverse. I'm going to set it back to 1 so it's going forward. If I press 5, the servo turns so that the bot's looking to its right. If I press 6, the bot turns the servo to the left so the camera's facing to the left. If I press 7, it recenters, and if I press power, it turns it off. I'm going to stop the simulation and pull up the code quickly. So we'll go up here. We'll stop at 40. I'll stop at 77. 113. 142. 176. Hopefully that's helpful, and thank you very much. If you need any extra info on my presentation on this simulation, please just let me know. Thank you, and have a nice day.